functional area system of the company. An information system can be defined technically as a set interrelated components that collect or retrieve, process, store, and distribute information to support decision making and control in an organization. In addition to supporting decision making, coordination, and control, information system can also help managers and works analyze problems, visualize complex subject, and create new product. Information system contains information about important people, place, and things within the organization or in the surrounding environment. What we mean by information is data that has been shaped into a form that is meaningful and useful to humans. 1. Accounting Information System. The Accounting Information System is the oldest and most widely used information system in business. Bodnar and Hopwood, 1993. Defines an accounting information system as a collection of resources designed to transform financial data into information. Define it as a special subsystem of management information systems whose purpose is to collect, process, and report information related to financial information. The following is a brief explanation of some of the subsystems contained in the accounting information system. 1. Sales order processing or sales order processing is a subsystem that handles customer order processing. 2. Processing preparation or inventory processing is a subsystem that handles the change in the stocks and provides shipping information and return reservations. 3. The ledger or general ledger is a subsystem that consolidates data from other accounting systems and generates statements, and business reports that are periodically. 4. Account receivable is a subsystem that records the customer receivable and generates invoice, monthly customer statements, and management reports of credit. 5. Debt trade or account payable is a subsystem that records the purchase and payment of debts to suppliers and produce cash management reports. 6. Payroll. Payroll is a subsystem that handles payroll, including hours, works, and proof of payment, as well as generating reports related to payroll. 2. Financial Information System. Financial information systems are used to support financial managers in making decisions regarding corporate financial matters and allocating and controlling financial resources within the company. This system is not only based on internal data but also uses data from external sources. Next, the following is a model of financial information system. 1. The financial intelligence subsystem functions to identify external financial sources or shareholders and the financial community that can inject additional funds for the company. 2. Internal audit subsystem functions as a subsystem that handles audit results internally. 3. Forecasting and financial planning subsystems or financial forecasting and planning are subsystems that serve to evaluate current and project financial performance in business. 4. The subsystem of fund management. Funds management is used to assist the management of assets such as cash and stock with high benefits but with little risk. For example, the system can provide suggestions for selling and buying shares. 5. Sub-financial control system or financial control is a subsystem associated with budgeting. 3. Manufacturing or production information system. Manufacturing information system is a system used to support production functions, which includes all activities related to planning and controlling process for production, goods, or service. The following is a model of manufacturing information system. Manufacturing information system include all computer applications in the manufacturing area is a conceptual system. 1. Input subsystem. Accounting information subsystem. Data collection tasks describing production operation are best performed using data collection terminals. Production collects enter data into the terminal using a combination of machine-readable media and a keyboard. Subsystem industrial engineering, specially trained system analyzer who study manufacturing operations and make improvement suggestions. The manufacturing intelligence system keeps manufacturing management informed of the latest development regarding labor, material, and machinery resources. 2. Subsystem output. The production subsystem that regulates everything related to the process that occur in each work division or department that measure production in terms of time, trace of flow of work from one step to the next. The inventory subsystem regulates the company's inventory level is very important because the inventory subsystem regulate the company's inventory level is very important because they represent a large investment where an item is influenced by the number of units ordered from each supplier. In the function of the inventory subsystem is to measure the volume of production activities when inventory is changed from raw materials to finished materials. 4. Marketing information system. The following is a marketing information system model. The marketing information system consists of several parts or subsystems, including 1. Marketing research subsystem, namely a system that deals with the collection, recording, and analysis of customer and prospective customer data. 2. Subsystem marketing information is a subsystem associated with collecting, recording, and analysis of competitors. 3. Subsystem namely transaction processing subsystems such as accounting information system.
4. Product subsystem, namely the subsystem for making new product plans. 5. The plan subsystem for decision making of the determination of the place according to the drawing of the resulting product. 6. Promotion subsystem to analyze promotion carried out in sales. 7. Price subsystem to help set price for the product. 8. Sales forecasting subsystem to process sales. 5. Human research information system. Human research information system or SESDM or HRES. Apart from HRES, the terms HRMES or Human Research Management Information System and HRMS or Human Research Management System are often used. Human Research Information System SESDM or HRES is a form of intersection or meeting between the field of human research management and information technology. The following is a model of an HR information system.
1. Subsystem payroll. Subsystems relating to payment of salaries, wages and benefits. This subsystem is often part of the accounting information system. 2. Human research subsystem, handling research on succession, analysis and evaluation of positions, as well as research and complaints submitted by employees. 3. Human research intelligence subsystem, a subsystem that uses external information relating to partners or stakeholders, which include the government, supplier, labor unions, the general public, financial institutions, and even competitors.
Data warehouse database technology solves many of the traditional file organization problems. More strict definition of a database is a set of data the organization to efficiently serve multiple applications by centralizing data and controlling redundant data rather than storing data in spare file for each application. It seems to the use that the data is stored in only one location. Single database server many applications. For example, instead of a company storing employee data, separate information system, and separate file for personnel, payroll, and benefits, the company called create a single, common human research database.
Data warehouse. Data warehouse is a computer system for archiving and analyzing historical company data such as sales data, salaries, and other information from day-to-day operations. Therefore, data warehouse is a database design method that supports DSS or Decision Support System and EAS or Executive Information System. Basically, a data warehouse is a database, but data warehouse and database design are very different. Model of data warehouse. Characteristic data warehouse. 1. Subject-oriented. This means that the data warehouse are designed to analyze data based on specific problems within the organization and not on specific application process or functions. 2. Ownership of integrated data. The data warehouse can store data from multiple sources in a consistent and integrated format. Therefore, data cannot be corrupted because data is an entity that supports the overall concept of the data warehouse itself. 3. Made within a certain time. All data in the data warehouse can be called accurate or valid within a certain period of time. To display the time interval used to measure the accuracy of the data warehouse. 4. Store data is permanent or non-volatile. This database continues to absorb new data and then step by step along with the previous data. Unlike operational database which can update, insert, and delete data which change the contents of the data warehouse database. Advantage of data warehouse. 1. High potential return on investment. 2. Organization need to run a large amount of research to ensure a successful data warehouse implementation at a very variable cost. The value invest return faster with a data warehouse. 3. Competitive advantage. A competitive advantage can be gained by giving decision makers access to data that was previously impossible. 4. Increase the productivity of corporate decision makers. Data warehousing can increase the productivity of decision makers by creating integrated databases that are consistent, topic-based, and hostical in. Next, modeling functional area as a solution. 1. CAD, computer-aided design, systems that use computers to design a product Example, car and ship. 2. CAE, computer-aided engineering, system design to analyze the characteristics of design that is used to simulate the performance of products under different conditions, different with the aim to reduce the needs for prototyping. 3. CAM, computer-aided manufacturing, computer-based system used for a product process. 4. CAPP, computer-aided process planning, a system used to plan a sequence of process to produce to assemble a component.